Adam has to crouch awkwardly forwards and downwards. Jamie's also noticed there's not enough tension on the rope. Adam needs to go faster, so they adjust. And those few feet at slightly faster spin speed makes all the difference. With Adam's new and improved body position, it's a completely different ballgame. It's not like he's suddenly become a champion wakeboarder, but his perseverance, the tweak in technique, and Jamie's careful control of the spin speed means that not only have they confirmed the myth, but the rest of the day's schedule is out the window.